Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss 5th class mathematics, first chapter, numeration and notation. Okay. Already you learned what is the numeration notation in the 4th class. In 4th class we already performed the 4 fundamental operations, additions, subtractions and multiplication and division on 6 or 7 digits. Now just once we was remember. Okay, now review exercise. Write the following numerals in words. So you page number open, first page number. See here. Write the following numerals in words. Here giving some numbers given. Now you write number names right. Okay. See, I am writing one number name. Remaining you will write remaining all questions. Okay. See beta here. So first one I will explain here. 954 736. So now what do here? 954736 here one number here. This number name right now. How to find out number name? 1s, 10s, 100 before comma, 1000, 10,000 before comma. Now you will what is the number name? This 9,54,736. So these like now you write number name. See 9,54,000. 54,736. Okay, these. So these like here total how many digits is there? 6 digits. That's why 1s, 10s, 100 before comma, 1000, 10,000 before comma. This is lakhs place. So 9,54,736. You write this like number name. So let's explain last question in 8th one question. See here. Here given total how many digits is there? 7 digits. So 9460548. So see here, see what is the number name? 1 to 10, 100 before comma, 1000, 10,000 before comma, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is total 10 lakhs place. So how to write this? 94 lakhs 60,548. Okay, now write here 94 lakhs 60,000. Okay, 500 and how much? 48. Okay, so these like here given 3 digits. So this is lakhs place. Now you write this number name. So here given 10 lakhs place. Now you write. So this like number name. In this bit whatever giving total 8 problems given. Now you write these 8 problems. So number names right. Okay. Now write down second bit. Write the following number names in numerals. So here given number name. Now you write what? Number right. Okay. Now you write down this. Very easy. Already you know this how to write. So now second bit beta. I will explain first one. 5,48,793. So here 5 lakh place 5 given. 5,48,000 or thing. 48,793. Very easy. 793. So this is the number. Here given number name given. Now you write number. So last one I will explain now. Last one. See here 60 lakh 60,404 asking 60 lakhs. So 60 lakhs 60,000. So 60 lakhs 60,404 asking. So that's why 404. 60 lakhs 60,404. So these like you write numbers given number name. Okay. Now third bit beta. See this like remaining are you only solve. Next third bit. Write the largest 7 digit number. Write the smallest 6 digit number. Find their difference. So here telling first of all write what largest 7 digit number. So you write now largest 7 digit number. Largest number which is 7 digit. So 99 lakh 99,999. So this is the largest 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now smallest number. Smallest how many digit number asking here? Smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number what? 1 lakh. 6-digit number. Okay. What? 1 lakh. So this is the smallest 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. This is the smallest 6-digit number. What to asking here? Difference. Difference means what? Subtraction. 0 from 9, 9. 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 1 from 9, 8. Here nothing is there, 0. So 0 from 9, 9 only. So what? 98 lakh 99,999. So this is the difference between largest 7-digit number and smallest 6-digit number. Understand now? So write down this. So next fourth bit, using the digits 7, 6, 8, 9, 4, 3, 5 only once, write the largest and smallest 7-digit number. So here asking here given some digits, you use those are digits, you make one largest number and one smallest number. See what digits given there. First one I am writing here 7, 6, 8, 9, 4, 3, 5. Total 7 digits given. Now you make a largest number and you make the smallest number. Use these only digits. Now see here which one is largest number. How to make largest number means you write this descending order, right? You get the largest number. So what is the biggest number here? 9. Just the smallest 8. Just the smallest 7. Just 6, 5, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total. This is the 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 98 lakh 76,540. This is the biggest number using these digits. Now write smallest number means what to ascending order right now. If the descending order, we write ascending order. So what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 34 lakhs 56,789 is the smallest number. Okay? Very easy. So write down this. Understood? So now write the place values of here given place values asking place values. So I will explain some more examples now. Remaining problems you will solve. See here. First one 4 in 7, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. So here in this number, so what have here? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 7 lakh 34,689 in 4 place value asking. 4 in place value. What is the place value of 4? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. Okay, 1000. 4 place value what? 1000. 1000 means what is the place value of 4? 4,000. Okay, understood? So next to see, I will explain. Third one see here. 9 in 9 place value see 7, 9, 5, 4, 6, 3, 2. So here 9 place value in this number 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000 what? 9 place value lakh. So what lakh means 9 lakhs. 9 place value what? 9 lakhs. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakhs place have. Lakh place which number have 9. That's why 9 lakhs. Understood? So this like I will explain now. Last one 6th one see here 0 in 843056 843056. Here 0 place value asking 1s, 10s, 100. 0 which place have 100th place, but 0 into 100 what? 0 only. You do multiplication with 0 any number, you get what? 0 only. So here 0 which place have 100th place, but 0 place value what? 0 only. Understood? Write down. So remaining 3 problems are homework. Now 6th method, write the number names of the following according to Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Here both given, both number system right. First one Indian place value chart number system right. Next one international place value chart of number system right. You already know what is the Indian and what is the international. You learnt these numbers about in 4th class. See, I will explain first one 7358994. This now you write number name Indian place value Indian 1 to 10 to 100 1000 10,000 lakh. So what is the number name? 7 lakh 35,000 894. So this is the Indian place value chart. Now you write the international place value chart. Same number. International to how to write? You take ones, tens, hundreds, hundreds place take and 1000, 10,000 lakh. This total ones, tens, hundreds take hundreds place. Next these five ones, 1,000, 10,000 lakh you take which place? Thousands place take. These are 300th place and these are 3,000 place. Now see 735,894 is the international place value chart number name. See how to write now? 735 735 what? 1000. What I am telling? This take 1000 place. So 735,894. 894. So this is the international place value chart number name. This is the Indian place value chart number name. Okay. You take now in international place value chart means you take ones, tens, 100 place. Total take 100 place. Next to 1000, 10,000 lakhs place you take this thousands place. Okay. Now I explain again one problem. See here. See next one. Numerations. What do I explain? Okay, we have 7 digit. Once it takes 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, total 7 digit number. Now you write in the Indian system. So what? Indian system to write 1 to 10 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Then how to read this? 63 lakhs, 63 lakhs, 4,672. See here, 63 lakh, 4,600 and 72. See 63 lakhs place. Here 10,000 place 0 have. That's why we take 4,000. So 4,000. What? 672. So this is the Indian place value system. Okay. Now you write international place value system. You take what I have told just before. 1 to 10 to 100 place you take 100 place. 1,000, 10,000 lakh place you take 1,000 place. Now here have no 6. These 6 have no these 3 here. This 3 place take 100 place. These 3 places take 1,000 place. Now these have no 6 remaining. 1 10, 100, 1,000, no lakh, 10 lakh place you take million. What take million? Now see how to write this number name means take first for 6. 6 what? Million. 6 million. 6 millions. What? 304,000. 300 and 4,000. 304,000. What? 672. 600 and 72. Understood now? So this is the Indian system. 6 means so you write 6 S I X. So this is the Indian system, 63,04,672 Indian system. Now you write the international means you take 300s and this 3 places thousands, remaining this 7th place, this 7th place you take millions place. Okay, that's why. So 6,304,672. Understood now? So these like they are given 7 digits, you take this large digits million, remaining 3 digits thousand, remaining 3 digits 100 place. This is the international place value system. You know already, you learned this system in earlier class, means 4th class. Okay. Now write remaining 2 or 3 problems are homework problems. These homework you write and send pics in our WhatsApp group. Okay. So now write down this. Carefully write. So now add the following. Addition, very easy problem. I will explain one only, remaining you only solve. 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 3, 9, 4, 8, 5, 6, 9, 5, 7, 0, 8, 3. So addition problem beta, very easy problem. See now, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 9, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 1 carry, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 0, 16 only, 6, 1 carry, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 1 carry, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 15, 5, 20, 2 carry, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. So 1 to 10, so 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Total what's the number? 18 lakh, 18 lakhs, 8,669. Okay, you solve these like addition. What given here? 7 to be total problems. Okay, these are homework. Understood? So next to remaining here, do the following subtractions. See, I'll explain one subtraction. Remaining you will solve here. 7, 9, 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5, 6. So what subtraction? See here 2, 6 from 2, not able to subtract. What do? Borrow. 12. Now 6 from 12, 6. Remaining how much here? 2. Now 5 from 2 you subtract, not able to subtract. So what do? Borrow. 12. So 5 from 12, how much? 7. So what have we here? 3. 9 from 3, not able. So what? 13. 9 from 13, 4. Here how much? 5. Now borrow. 15. 7 from 15, how much? 7 from 15. How much? 8. Yes or no? See how much here? Remaining 8. 5 from 8, 3. So here how much? 7 already have here. So 3 from 7, 4. So what is the answer now? 1 to 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 4 lakh 38,476 is the answer. So this is the subtraction. You already know how to subtract both numbers. You already learned in 4th class. So here given remaining 3 problems are homework problem. So now I am going to end my class. What I am given to you work, that all work you must solve and send pics in our WhatsApp group. Thank you very much.